Hello everyone, special video today. We're not going to talk about knives, but we're going to talk about a watch, a Victorinox watch. We wanted to buy one, and that's done. So I'll show you that in today's video. See you in 10 seconds. So here we have the sleeve. The box, the logo. It's a pretty big box. It's about 12 or I think 13 centimeters. So here we have the watch, and here we have some stuff about the warranty, Victorinox warranty. It's 5 years, and here's some instructions. So let's see the watch. Here, Victorinox Swiss Army. Here the watch. Here I removed some links from the strap, so I put that here. So here is the watch. Really beautiful. So the dial is black, but it's also available in blue. The strap, you have also other straps. So it has a tachymeter. Here we also have the logo Victorinox. Here as well. So I'm really happy about it. I've been wearing it for 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm really happy about it. So the FieldForce Chrono, for the price in Europe, in France at least, it's 470 euros. But that's really a beautiful watch. So to show on my wrist. So if you have any questions, also tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. And there's a video coming about other knives, not Victorinox, well-known brand, and another one that is less known. So 2 knives. Probably the next video, maybe it won't be the next video, but it should be. And that's it. So of course I'll see you for the next video. In the meantime, take care and see you next time. Bye bye. You stole